So here I'm generating for referral traffic to your website. First of all, how to generating for referral traffic? There is main option called is SEO off page. In this, we discuss about the first one is called classifieds. First, you can select your services. In these services, I can select by any one services here. So I'm selecting for in this. That is called Web Design Development Company in Hyderabad. So in this call, if anything search any classified, that is called two kind of classified will be there. One is called with login classified and without login. First to discuss about the with login classified. Classified means global SEO or local SEO. Local SEO nothing but only for surrounding your places. Global SEO nothing but we can promote anywhere in total global wise. Not only India, not only for US, not only for Australia, entire globe. So that is called, we have the two kind of classified, login and logout. Means with login, without login. Next one, local SEO and global SEO. First of all, if you're promoting for local SEO, first you can search for, I'm in Hyderabad. I'm searching for my local classified. In this showing for total some classified list. In this I'm selecting for one is called Craigslist, Locanto, Viva Street, and fullhyderabad.com and click.in, and you can go for Click India, and after you can select by the my site content. So first of all, I'm selecting for my classified list. In this, first create a posting. Each classified post based on the category. Based on the category. So what do you offer? I'm offering for the service offer. Now click. In this service, select by the your services. So what is the service you're providing for? So I can give by the computer services. So just on Google here. My keyword is called website design and development services with the best price in Madhapur. If anyone searching for web design development, this showing for my classified. First, add your thing. Next is a specific location in Hyderabad. Code will be here. Next one, in a content part, select your content. The content is main guru for your classifieds. Content is main guru for your classified. They can read your content, they come into your site. So just I'm open for content here. After that, add your phone number. So when people come into your phone number by phone call, by text, you have two things, by phone call or by text. You can select by the both options. And client will check by the mail reply also. Suppose they see your ad, can I reply your mail also? Yes, we can reply by your mail also. Show my real email address. No reply to email. Suppose you can't reply by through emails. Lost your client. So always reply by the email reply is a mandatory field. So that is called show email address to my client. Or else recommended for the CL means client reply for the through email also. That is called I'm given here in this. Select my content, post. In this, don't use it for URLs and add your phone number, contact name, in this. So I for first title and location, your postal code, your content, and your email verification, phone number, and thing. Next, okay, other contact you about services, product, commercial interest, not interested. Click for continue. I'm not interested to paid ads. In this, add image. Here, how many images you can upload? Up to 25 images will be uploaded. Each classified support 2 images to total 40 images will be uploaded. That will be based on your classified. Some classified required only for 2 or up to 40 also. So add your classified images. So in this one, you can select your particular folder, select your image. Image is guru for your classifieds. In this, select your image. Where the image is there, just select. After done with your images option. So is uploading for image, wait for done. Now done with the image. Your classifier will be posting done on your option. Finally click for publish. Each classifier when sign up time is verify your mobile number. If not verify your mobile number, the classifier will be failure. So once uploading your classified, simple we can go for your Gmail. There is verify or not, you can check by everything by email itself. Email confirmation is mandated from some classifier also. Two things are very important. Once login classifier required for email verification for particular classified, or approval also will check by emails also. Now in this one, you can check for updates. Coming to Craigslist, then show now visible by user for this URL means the people can see my ad will be like this. See the title. Automatically the indicate by SEO title and description. How to check? Control U. They are creating for specific page about our title and description. In this one, we can show here. This is called title. Next one. This is called description. In the description, we have rocket solution will be name will be there. Is it clear? This is called very important for your each and every classified. The classifieds or any website, the based on promotion your SEO title and description. Based on your title, based on your content, automatically they will take as a title and description. So that is called your important selection keyword is guru for your each and every classifieds. So select here. I can show one more website. Loganto. Post free ad. In this, I'm selecting for proceed. I'm clicking for services, web services. After that, there's a content. Select your image. In this, select your website URL. After, select your phone number. This ad will be showing for how many days? 642 days for your ad will be showing. Post your ad. So if you are creating for any ads will be paid ads. Top ad, gallery ad, premium ad. It not required. Now click for proceed. So finally coming to well done, your ad will be online in a few minutes. After that, go to your inbox. In this, you can check by your update your application. Now you can see your ad will be live showing for congratulations. So same like you can upload by Viva Street, Full Hyderabad, Click In, and Click India. We are using for so many websites we can posting for with the login website. First of all, select your keyword, select your services, post your title, post your description along with URL and phone number along with the location with the pin code number. This is called classified posting. Please write down with the login classified posting. So previously doing it for classified with the login classified. Next one, the classified will be without login will be there. That is called without login classified. This is also simple one. Same will be category. Here only one option is called no sign up, no sign in. So in this platform, the support image will be only for KBs up to 10 KB to 80 KB. So just to post your ad without login classified, we can easily identify the ad will be accepted or not, based on your category. In this, first to select your categories. I'm selecting for main. So in this, which will be suitable, select by here. I'm selecting for business offer. Copy this one. Next, post. So without login classifier, they can promote entire global. So that will be here. India. We add by location. Madhapur, Hyderabad. You can write your name. Write your email ID. So email ID must should be important for the before posting classifieds. Next, add your phone number. In this, you can upload images will be MBs, but without login classified that are accepted by the images. So just I'm clicking for 12 for the capture code. Post for free ad. So ad will be uploaded by within a fraction of second. So in this one, we'll check here. So this ad will be approved by fraction of seconds. See this one. So once approved here, where our ad will be checked, that is called, we can go to back. First, you can select by the main category. In this, go for subcategory. Which one? Business offers. Now, check your ad here. Is it clear? This is called. Just to open. See this your ad. Is it clear? So anyone contact your is called name, email, and message, and click for contact. Automatically you get by contact will be email. You get by email your contact information. Any contacts in classifieds they are generating for two kind of traffic. One is called referral traffic. Second will be backlink generated traffic. So in coming to here, click for my website. They're going to where? Easy to my website. So in a classified promoting will be two ways. One is called keyword. Second will promote by your website link. This is called you can promote your website for referral traffic purpose using classified. One is called without classified, with login classified website.